Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create AI images for free using Midjourney alternatives. So if you're looking for free AI image generators, there are several great options available. You can use tools like Microsoft Designer, ChatGPT with image generation, Google Gemini, Adobe Firefly, or other free AI image generators that offer limited free image creation. For that, you need to simply visit the official website or download the app, then sign into your account. Then enter a detailed prompt describing the image you want to create. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results will usually be. And after the image is generated, you can download it or edit it further if the platform supports editing. You need to keep in mind that free plans often include daily limits or a limited number of image generation. So that was how to create AI images for free using Midjourney AI alternatives. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.